Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're here at 21 Maynard Street, Unit 3, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. It's a third floor, 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom apartment for rent. Starting our video tour to the left of the entrance when you walk in. Newly renovated throughout. Beautiful, brand new vinyl plank flooring, high ceilings, big windows for plenty of natural light. You got the living room area here, very spacious. Long hallway, coat closet to my right. To my left, you get the smaller of the 3 bedrooms. This could fit a full or a queen set. Closet there. There's your entrance. Walk down the hallway. To my right, get the half bathroom with a skylight, toilet, and vanity. To my left, you get the biggest out of the 3 bedrooms. Big enough for a queen set, possibly a king. Separate back entrance there, goes out to a shared backyard. And you get the 3rd bedroom, also big enough for a queen set. To my left, you got the kitchen here. Room for a small round or square table. Gas stove, countertop and cabinet space, refrigerator, double sink. And you get the full bathroom here. A shower, tub, vanity. I'd like to apply for 23 Maynard Street, Unit 3, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will want to fill out the application. This is Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.